First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you don't have access to your mouse, so you won't be able to click at the end of the line right here. And let's say you only have access to your keyboard. So there are many ways that you can move your precursor at the end of this line right here. First is simply by clicking on the right arrow key, just like that, which will allow you to scroll through each letter. And the next one is by holding the control button and by clicking on the right arrow key, which will allow you to move per word. Now, if you want to move to the end of the line instantly, simply look for the end button on your keyboard. And as you can see, that's what that looks like. Let's do it again. Click on the end button, and that should bring you to the end of your line right there. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.